Welcome to this Visions condo. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, top floor with 1,500 square feet, located in Camdenton, Missouri at the Lake of the Ozarks. The natural light streaming in from the lofted windows makes this condo light, bright, and airy. Come check out the views from your private screened-in deck, looking out at the 5-mile marker of the Big Niangua. By water, the Cave, Fish & Co., Ha Tonka, and Captain Ron's are just a short boat ride away. A 12x30 boat slip with hoist is included in your purchase. This condo complex features a private community lakeside swimming pool. Call me for a personal tour of this amazing condo at 573-552-5881. Don't let this one get away.